What is a miniComfort? Well, just so happens I have one here in my hand. It is a lower bite guard that is soft and flexible. As you can see, very nice flex to it. Soft and flexible, it's a partial coverage guard, so it's very comfortable for the patient to wear. How does this thing work? Well, it has two discluding elements on it that line up with the cuspids. And as the patient closes during the day, if they're a grinder or a clencher, the miniComfort will provide some biofeedback. The cuspids touch the discluding elements and it reminds them to stay open during the day and performs the same type of function at night as well.